All right, it's a 2005 4L60E. It's a four-wheel drive. It is the 5.3. It is the 300M shaft. Another reason gloves kind of make it a little hard to get some of the seals off. I'm not going to go as slow as I normally do on them. Just got to get it apart, find out what's going on with it, because it's just a basic HD build, nothing fancy, no LS swap or anything like that. Just get the bell housing off, get the bell bolts off, set that aside, then I'll zip off the bolts for the pump. And we get the servo off next. Make sure it's nice and springy, got a little spring to it. Snap ring off of there. Get the cover off, just got to get in there and get the O-ring out. Maybe. Well, it's not coming out quite far enough. There we go. Oh, ripped it. Wasn't even hardly pulling on it. Still makes it easier to get off. Standard servo. Nothing fancy to write home about on that. Get the extension housing off next. This one looks like it's missing a couple. Yeah, it's missing 2 or 3. Get those off the rest of the way when they're over. Let's get the shifter linkage off. Black, burnt, looks like motor oil. About normal. Missing a bunch of pan bolts too. Oh yeah, definitely a load of the clutch material. Oh, it smells terrible. It can be such a pain to get off of there. A lot of times you gotta use a wrench, just because even with the socket twist on it, it still gets wedged in there, as you saw. Let's get the clip out. Get the harness off of here. Lock up solenoid out of the pump. Cheap plastic. get the manifold pressure switch off of here. Wiring harness out of the way. I saw one of the check balls went rolling down in there. There goes another one. Let's see, let's look real quick. Yeah, the check ball's all beat up. The plate, all of them are beat up, so it's gonna have burnt like normal 3-4 plates, I'm sure. Probably forward too in the band. There's one of the balls. The other one's probably just stuck down in the bottom of the unit now. Get the pump out of here. Pump doesn't feel bad, doesn't look bad. It does need a new stator tube, at least on that part of the pump. It looks good. Yep, pump's actually really nice. Just needs new bushings, new stator tube. Band's fried. Sometimes those rings will come out easy. Sometimes they do not. Well, they're not too bad. It's been rebuilt before. You can see the cookie cutter marks where they reuse the steels. They don't look in too bad a shape or the frictions, but they're a little hot, discolored. I won't reuse them. Yeah, the 3-4 pack is wasted. Yeah, it needs a new snap ring. At least they put the return springs in. And totally all gone, friction material. Just nothing left. Yeah, it's just, I mean, nothing. Totally gone, which I was kind of expecting. let's see. Forward, not too hateful. Overrun your engine brake, well, it's all right, but I don't keep them. I only keep the pressure plate, snap ring, wave steel. These new sealing rings, the input shaft looks good. It's just really dirty, needs cleaned up. Let's check the sprag. Hopefully it doesn't have an SKF sprag in it. If it does, we know we're gonna need that one piece, this one, and it does. And it does. It's all grooved up. SKF France sprag strikes again. Race looks fine. That race looks fine. Oop, almost. Oh God, did they put it on upside down? Yep. That's 5-pin planet. Hopefully it's in good shape. Hub's good. Yeah. It's got a side slot. It's junk. So just because of that, I got to replace it. Just this piece. Because this is a harder metal than this, so this part of the teeth, it'll wear out. Looks good. Let's check the bearing. Yep, I can see where it's gouged. So that's junk. Shell, I don't care, it's gonna be replaced regardless. It's junk anyway. I wouldn't reuse it, but it's trash. Get the bearings there. Let's get the rear of it out. Clunk spring, don't reuse it. Put a case saver in it. Rear bearing, rear ring gear. I'll change this. It's a 5-pin. It should be the beveled, which is a better design. I will not reuse that. Planet's good. Sun gear, no chips, and these are wide Sonics bushing, it'll be good. Plates for low and reverse. Not smoked, but not looking all that good. Regardless, replace them, keep the wavy steel. So they put a Borg Warner sprag in the updated version, but they didn't change the input sprag. You can see it's got the tall steps around it, and it's that gold color. Regardless, don't reuse them. Junk. And that's it, really. Just got the piston in the case. I mean, decent unit to build.